Okay guys, welcome back. If you are a continuous viewer, thank you. After one video, I mean, that's cool. Thank you very much. This video is just going to be covering, I guess, a little bit of a day in the life. A little bit, kind of. This is really just what I do in my room. 3D printing and such. Yeah, I hope you like it. So, I have my 3D printer here, but I'm changing the filament color because I don't want that color right now. I want my blue filament right here. So I'm gonna get that going. I just got it. If you have a 3D printer of your own, leave a comment. Let me know. That would be cool. Because I know I love 3D printers. They are fun stuff. But I'll just give you a little bit of a backstory. I'm from California. I live in San Diego. I'm a surfer. And yeah, I'm a surfer. I'm partially homeschooled. I go to school Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Friday, so I didn't really have school today. I'm thinking upload schedule-wise. Other than today, I've uploaded a couple. One for school, which you guys won't be able to see, and a couple. And my first video ever, just giving a little bit of what I'm gonna do. But I'm thinking upload schedule will be Monday, Friday, and the weekend. Hopefully, depends on the videos I make. But that's what upload schedule. I don't think there'll be a specific time, but that will be upload schedule wise. So yeah, I mean, can you guys see this well? Yeah, you can see it. But yeah, I'm doing this on my phone. I'm filming this on my phone. I didn't want to use my a camera, because I don't know, I don't like the idea for some reason. Come on out, there we go. Whoa, this was getting clogged. I've got my little bin over here where I keep my filaments. Oh, don't do that. Nobody, if you're a 3D printer, you know you don't want to hear that sound. That is a bad sound. Come on, how much filament goes into this tube? Oh, there we go. Okay. Wrap this up. Wrap it up a little bit. Sorry, a little bit of a complacent video. I have to use both hands instead of holding. Comment down below if you like Kevin Tolabout or Maker's Muse. I watch those guys a lot. They are really helpful with all the stuff I do. And then also I have, if you are older and into motorcycles, my uncle has a YouTube channel and a whole company called TST Industries. And if you like that kind of stuff, you can go check out his video. I'll link it in the description, I think. I'll do that. I'll also link Maker's Muse and Kevin Tolabout in the description. Those guys are so cool. I love watching them. Hopefully, I mean, my plan is to be bigger than them one day, but I doubt that'll happen. Oh, I play baseball and volleyball. I'm in high school. I'm a freshman. I'm 6'1", 150 pounds. I don't know if that matters. Come on, filament. Good. There we go. Now it's going in. Perfect. Okay. Filament in. And if you guys see anything that I'm doing wrong potentially, always, I'm new to this kind of stuff a little bit. Always drop it. I prefer not hate, because I see a lot of YouTubers and they have hate. Like if you guys are on the Minecraft side of things, I haven't done really any of that yet. But if you know if you play Minecraft, you probably know Technoblade. Link his thing in the description, or his YouTube channel. Technoblade had to delete he got canceled, sadly. As if you watch Technoblade, you know. But it's really, and then he got a bunch of hate telling him, like, oh, you should die, you're worthless, stuff like that. It was really bad. It was mean. Am I screwing in the wrong way? No. Yeah, just a little bit of backstory. This is an Ender 5 Pro. I got this for my birthday. I don't know where my parents got it from. So, hopefully I can I'll show you what I'm going to 3D print. And then while my extruder is heating up for that 3D print, I'll show you guys around my room a little more. Maybe I'll show you guys my sets. I don't know. I have a fish tank with no fish in it. And I do more unedited stuff because I suck at editing. I'll probably have my friend edit my stuff, maybe. But I'm 3D printing this little shelf for this thing under my 3D printer, under the LCD screen. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. I'll show you. I'll boot up my 3D printer, and I shall grab that. You guys are probably getting a good look at my face. I might not do a face reveal for a while, guys. Just letting you know. I'm kind of like Dream, I guess you could say. I don't really want to show my face. Oh! I might edit that out. Okay. Preview. Looks like I already sliced it. Save to removable drive. Eject. Perfect. Okay. So now I just gotta get them up. Okay. Okay. I'll add a little more glue, I think. Actually, let me... Oh no, that's pretty sticky. I've also got flight test plane. This is like, I haven't flown it yet, but I really like it. It's pretty cool. It's a Corsair, mini Corsair if you didn't realize. I'll probably turn my light on in here. It's getting a little... Oh! I'll edit that out. There you go. That's one of the things about being a YouTuber. Oh, play baseball. I broke a metal bat. I broke 2 of them, actually. There's one over here. Don't mind all the clothes and hats over there. I've got an empty fish tank. I'll show you guys. My sister has a snake. I don't think he's out right now. Yeah, I don't think he is. My brother has a couple fish. We have a cat. He absolutely destroyed. Come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, well. He destroyed my finger. It hurts so bad. I think it might be infected too. But whatever. Let's see how much time we got here. Oh, we're almost there. Okay. Cards I have. So I have a Team Associated B6.2, and I have not finished it yet. I think I need a receiver and a servo. I have, this is my parts Stampede. I have a Target little thing. Oh, it's starting up over here. I have a Traxxas Slash and a Traxxas Stampede. Oh, I also have an OFNA. These are they're out of business now. It's an Ultra MBX. My neighbors actually to my left gave it to me. It needs a new engine and then it'll run. So I'm saving up for that. I think I have like 156 for that saved up now. So fun stuff. Here it goes. So yeah, that's a little bit of a day in the life for me. Let's see. If you guys want to see anything else, I'll show you this in another video, how it turns out. And thanks for watching. Always, I'm not gonna ask. I'm not gonna make you force anything. If you want to, like and subscribe. You don't have to though, at all. You don't have to at all. I'm not like those big YouTubers who are like, like and subscribe and stuff like that. Just if you want to, I don't care. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe out there. Bye.